hello, 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 hello. I do. Hello. Today's video, if you can't tell by the title, is going to be another mystery unboxing. I went on eBay and I thought, oh, we'll just have a little browse, have a little look on eBay. She types in mystery boxes, doesn't she? Silly sausage Sarah. Nah, I'll just have a little look. I won't actually buy anything because we all know what happened last time. I'll leave the link below so that you can check that out if you want to check that out, but my box was pants. John's on the other hand was great. Oh, we'll just have a little browse. We won't actually buy anything. Then she comes across this. Job lot, women's fashion, brand new items, surprise gifts. All items in the box are brand new women's fashion items, only available in small sizes. I'm tiny, that's fine. The items in the box would normally RRP at $49.99. So I'm thinking, oh, that's pretty cool. Go back, look at the price. $9.99. Sold! So I only went and bought it, didn't I? Postman comes along, ding dong, rings on the bell. Passes me this. Does this look like a box? Mystery box, you advertise this as, lady. Pretty upset that it's not a box, but it's what's on the inside that counts, right? Oh, I don't know. I want to do it. Ah, let's do it. Okay. Oh my goodness. It looks like there's so many things in here. Sneaky peek. Surely that just looking in there must be more than a tenner. Just gonna close my eyes, grab something out of it and show you and probably try it on. I'll try it on for you. Come on, we're all friends. Number one is this. It looks like a jumper. White jumper is always a handy dandy thing to have. Oh yeah, so soft. Oh my goodness. You know, like that really furry soft inside. New York. And it actually looks like it will fit me. Oh my god, that's so cute. I'll probably pay about £6 for this, just for this. If everything in the rest of the bag is worth £4, I'm on to a winner. Oh my goodness. Oh, laptop, excuse me. It's adorable. Look at it. So it's like a white top, it's super soft inside, and it says New York. I love New York. Thank you, lady, whoever you are. Let's just keep this on for a minute and just grab the next thing out. Next thing is, ooh, I don't really like stripes. Don't judge a book by its cover. Let's get into it. Small to medium, that's always a good thing. What is this? Wow, that's very long. Probably not my kind of thing, but I am going Thailand soon. Wait for that video, that's gonna be great. This would probably be great just for like chilling out in and walking around. Should we try it on? Let's try it on. Oh, my ears. It's not too bad. It's kind of cute, you know. This is what it looks like. You know what, it's quite cute. I'll probably just wear it like casual, like around the house and stuff. But it comes to here, so that's quite a nice length, but it kind of just hangs. So item number two, not too shabby. Let's go for the next one. So this is like a beigey looking thing. What is this? What is this? What is this? What is that? Is this a dress? Is that the back or is that the front? That must be the back because it's got the label in it. But why is there a seam down the front? I think we need to try it on, don't you? Oh, I think I snapped it. This is what I've been sent. Not sure on this top bit, you know. It'd be cute if it was in a different colour, I think. But it's just like a little dress, and it's got these cut out things here. And then the back of it's really pretty. Obviously I wouldn't be wearing a black bra with it, but it's got like a little meshy kind of back to it. Not sure about that. It's cute from the back though. It's like we've got two things left in here, I think. So let's grab one out. Ooh. Lacy, nice. Next up we have a dress. Oh, that looks cute. It looks big. What size is this? I already know that this is going to be too big. I mean, look at that. That is going to be huge on me. It's definitely not a small. Lady, you advertised this as small. I'm not very big. I don't think I will fit in this. Oh goodness. You know what? If I pull the back in and I make it tight so that it fits me, this dress is amazing. But it's just massive. It just hangs. That would have been so cute. Next item. So maybe I'll give it to my mum. It'll probably look really nice on her. I have one thing that I really like. It started off so good. Oh dear. Next item. This is the last item in the bag. It looks like a coat. What? A coat? £10. Let's have a little look at this one. I have a coat. What the hell? That is, I don't know, it's alright. But like, a coat. Oh. It's not that bad. It fits anyway, it fits really nicely. Not my kind of coat, to be honest. It's got little little elbow pads. It'll be great for like horse riding or something, because it's alright. It's growing on me, you know. But like, I can't really complain because I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things for £10. This is such a bigger success than the first box. The first box I got was, I got half-eaten chewing gum. What is that? Here is my new jacket, apparently. It's very hot, very, very hot. That was everything that I got in my box / bag. It's not too bad, you know. Would I say that I'd buy another mystery box? No. I'd probably just go and buy the jumper that I like. But it was fun to do and it's exciting, and why not do something that excites you? Hope you enjoyed this video. I had fun making it and I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you hit the big red subscribe button because it's free, and I'd love it if you stuck around. And yeah, I'll see you in our next video. Bye!